Hello friends, today we will learn the circulatory system. The blood circulatory system makes food, water and oxygen available to every part of the body and helps in removing waste materials of the body like CO2, etc. The circulatory system in human consists of the heart, the blood vessels like arteries, veins and capillaries. Blood. Blood is a red colored liquid which flows in blood vessels and circulates in a body. Blood is red because it contains a red pigment called hemoglobin. Blood consists of 4 components: plasma, RBCs or red blood cells, WBCs or white blood cells and platelets. Plasma. The liquid part of blood is called plasma. Plasma carries water and dissolved substances such as digested food and waste products from one part to another part in the body. RBCs or red blood cells. RBCs are red in color due to the presence of red pigment called hemoglobin. RBCs are carriers of oxygen from the lungs to all the cells of the body. Hemoglobin binds with oxygen and transports it to all the parts of the body and ultimately to the cells. WBCs or white blood cells. WBCs fight infection and protect us from diseases. WBCs can eat up the diseases causing germs, bacteria. Some WBC make chemicals known as antibodies to fight against infection. These are less in number than RBCs. Platelets. Platelets are the tiny fragments of special cells formed in the bone marrow. They help in the clotting of blood in a cut or wound. When a cut starts bleeding, the platelets clot the blood like a net-like structure, due to which further bleeding stops. If there were no RBC or hemoglobin in the blood of a person, it becomes difficult to provide oxygen efficiently to all the cells of his body. If there were no platelets in the blood, then bleeding caused by a cut would not stop. This may cause loss of too much blood from the body of a person, leading to death. Blood plays the following functions in our body. First, it carries digested food from small intestine to all the body parts. It carries water to all the parts of the body. It carries oxygen from the lungs to different parts of the body. It also carries carbon dioxide from the cells to the lungs for breathing out. It carries waste products like urea from liver to kidney for excretion. It protects from the body by diseases. Blood vessels. They are a kind of tubes which carry blood throughout our body. The blood vessels runs between the heart and rest of the body. There are 3 types of blood vessels in the body: arteries, veins and capillaries. Friends, now let us learn the differences between 3 of the blood vessels: the arteries, the veins and the capillaries. Arteries. Blood vessels which carry blood from the heart to all the parts of the body. It carries blood away from the heart, found in the whole blood of our body. Veins. Blood vessels which carry blood from all the parts of the body back to heart. It carries blood towards the heart. Capillaries. These are extremely thin blood vessels which connect arteries to veins. It always present in between arteries and veins of the body. These have extremely thin walls which allow substances to pass from the blood into the body cells and also from the body cells into the blood. In arteries, blood leaves the heart at high pressure through the arteries. Deoxygenated blood returns to the heart at low pressure through the veins. In capillaries, the exchange of substances like food, CO2, oxygen, etc. between the blood and the body cells takes place through capillaries. Sixth point, in arteries, they have thick and elastic walls because blood flows through them at high pressure. Sixth point, in veins, they have thin walls because blood flows at low pressure through the veins. They have values in them which allows the blood to flow in one direction only towards the heart. Veins carry deoxygenated blood from the body organs to heart except pulmonary veins. Arteries carries oxygenated blood from the heart to lungs except pulmonary artery. Thank you friends. Bye bye.